Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop. Welcome to issue 108 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV show Batman from our good old pals over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these with me, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this 1/8 scale car. Let's have a scoot through this week's magazine. You got the TV show there, Catwoman Dressed to Kill. In the comics, you've got Death of the Great, or Death of the Family even. Batman 22, year by year there. Batman, it says, One Dark Night. Continuation there of the comics. House of Gotham, Descent into Fear. There you go. Car parts this week. We are going to assemble the left headlight and fix it to the front of your model along with the grille. There you go. So that's the bits we've got. Build up the headlight like so. Put in the photo etch devil's metal. Pop it in with a couple of screws. And then it says when the headlight's fitted in the next stage, jelly bulbs, LEDs will be fitted to both headlights. So bear that in mind. That's the grille going in place. And that's what we're going to end up with today. And we're going to have this half of the face done. And then obviously I suppose next week we'll be doing the other half, folks, okay? So that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side. When we come back, we'll start a bit of assembly, folks. Right, let's get this opened up and see what we've got today. ZM screws, which are there. So let's grab those. Put one back. So we got those. And MA or AM screws even. So let's pop one of those back in the bag. Like that. Shove them there. Move that at the back. Right, let's have a look, see what we got to do. Assemble the headlights. And we're going to be putting in them grills. So let's get the headlamp ring, like so. Saying have the two pins like that, and there's a notch on here somewhere. Which is just there. We want that notch at about 7 o'clock. Let's get the lens. That's got the little tab on it, see? So that locates in there. Like so. And let's try not to put a fingerprint on the inside of that lens, Colin. Obviously, if I do by mistake, I can always go back and clean it. Like that. We then want to pop the two pegs in these little holes. Like so. Now, I think you've got a small and a large. Yeah. So you can only go on the one way then. That's the theory. Like that. Nice resistance fit. That's what I like to see. So that's that done. We've then got to put the grillage in with some ZM screws. So let's grab a pair of those whilst we think of it. Okay, we'll grab 3 then. Let's put a bit of oil on there. Sling that out of the way. And then we can bring in the front section of the car. I'm going to work with the windows just over the edge of the bench there to protect them. Okay. We can then grab this grille, slide that in like that. It goes in at a slight angle. It's got a tab on the front there. Okay, so it just needs to sit the other side of that. That will then let them line up. Drop the first one in. And then we'll grab the second one. Like that. And now we can come back and fully tighten this one. So that's that in place. We then grab our light. You've got two little recesses here that sit on these two little pegs. And then the bulbs will be going on later on. We'll pair of AM screws. So let's grab one of them. Obligatory bit of oil. Give that a tourniquets. Like so. Let's get a bigger screwdriver bit on there. Grab the next one. Put that in there. Fully home that. And then we can come back and do that screw like so. Have you some of that. And then we want to spin it round like that. Grab the front grille. And we're going to be attaching that to the panel using the ZM screws. Put the smaller bit on for that. Pop. Grab you. Nice bit of oil. We've got to try and then larrup that grille in. Going in there like so. A nice tight precision fit. And then we should then get a screw in the top there. Like so. Grab the next one. Same process. Nice bit of oil. Go right up in that corner. And then last but no means least, I've actually got two spares today. I was handy to have more than one. Bing, nice bit of oil on you. And then you're going right down in that bottom corner down in there. There you go. Nice. And that gives us a nice bit of grillage in front of the headlights as well, and just dresses up the front of that Batmobile rather beautifully, I think. So that's that issue done. Don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this and build one of these along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building this iconic Partwork. Also, to help me out, click little fester in the corner, subscribe to the channel, helps grow the channel, keeps it alive. Ring the bell whilst you're there to get notified of future content. Remember to thumbs up and hype the video, just puts it out in other people's feeds. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.